last video I showed you how to bake the hummingbird cake. I had decorated it with the pineapple flowers. Now this is a video to show you how I made the pineapple flowers. So let me show you how to make them. I'm not going to be using the entire pineapple. I just need a few slices. So I'm just going to take about 1/4 of this pineapple. I'm going to cut off the end, and then just I'm going to start slicing them into thin slices. So with a sharp knife, you can use a mandolin at this point for cutting them into thin slices, something like this. I just need a few flowers for the decoration, so I can use the other half of the pineapple for some other recipe. Now I'm going to just cut off the edges or the skin. I just need about 7 to 8 flowers, so I don't have to use the entire pineapple for that. And don't worry about the irregular shapes. It looks more natural once they are dried into flowers. They have all cut now. So now these go on a paper towel. I want to dehydrate them. The whole idea is to dehydrate them. So lay them in a single layer on a kitchen towel. With the help of another kitchen towel, you can dab it again really well, and you can repeat this process a couple of times. Remove the moisture as much as possible and lay them again in a single layer on a baking sheet. And I have preheated my oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So this goes in the oven for about 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you can see the edges have turned golden brown. They are a little moist. This is nice. This is thin, so it's really crisped up well. But they will have to go back in the oven. So I have a small cupcake tray here. I'm just going to pop it in. So once they curl up, and once they have dried out, it's going to look like a flower. And small pieces, bits and pieces, just gather them and just curl them and put them again in the mold so that they just look like beautiful petals. Now these are going back in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, you can keep it in a hot oven overnight till they are nice and crisp and dried out. Look at the beautiful color and the shape. You can decorate any cakes, desserts, even cupcakes. They are edible and they are so beautiful and easy to make too. This is the hummingbird cake that I've decorated. If you need the recipe for that, do check the link in the description box. As you saw, these pineapple flowers are really easy to make. They look absolutely gorgeous on any of your desserts or cakes. It need not be only pineapple cake, and even it looks beautiful on any cupcakes. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.